Hypothalamus Artificial Intelligence announces to the global community interested in artificial intelligence that, based on the alliance established with IBM and GAMS, HI offers the line of projects and services that integrate predictive artificial intelligence, forecasting, and prescriptive artificial intelligence, optimization. Hypothalamus Artificial Intelligence, HI, is a knowledge-intensive company in advanced and complex mathematical modeling. Its main research focuses on the integration of traditional artificial intelligence, mainly supported by artificial neural nets, ANN, and the machine learning algorithms, based on support vector machines, SVM, with the large-scale mathematical programming principles. This is aimed at producing artificial brains, that is digital transformation driven by autonomous and intelligent algorithms in real time, in accordance with the era of Industry 4.0. HI presents the products offered in its Watson's Gold 100 Partner Business Plan organized with IBM, TD SYNNEX and Peer-to-Peer Global, and with GAMS. Analytics has given rise to two levels of artificial intelligence. Traditional artificial intelligence, supported mainly by neural networks, with a long life of almost 80 years, since its creation in 1943, by Warren McCulloch and Walter Pitts. It is the most well-known and economically successful AI, and its current state-of-the-art is the Generative Pre-trained Transformer, GPT, which is a computer program with impressive capabilities to generate text completely autonomously. The TD SYNNEX IoT Solutions Factory is a program designed to drive the creation and delivery of IoT solutions, leveraging the best of the TD SYNNEX technology provider ecosystem. The goal is to equip the community with information about the art of the possible with IoT. This is done by taking IoT concepts and validating these concepts by leveraging the expertise within TD SYNNEX and its partners. Companies don't buy IoT, they buy business outcomes and solutions to real-life challenges. These are proprietary TD SYNNEX solutions, leveraging components from multiple vendors to define the TD SYNNEX architecture. The products are defined by TD SYNNEX in collaboration with the supplier ecosystem for interoperability testing. Peer-to-Peer Global is designed and represents all types of IT solution providers. While many solution providers sell products and services for manufacturers or technology providers, the profiles of companies represented in Peer-to-Peer Global can highlight their specialized capabilities, skills, and unique offerings, regardless of technology providers. Hypothalamus Artificial Intelligence, HI, is a knowledge-intensive company in advanced and complex mathematical modeling. Its main research focuses on the integration of traditional artificial intelligence, mainly supported by artificial neural nets, ANN, and the machine learning algorithms, based on support vector machines, SVM, with the large-scale mathematical programming principles. This is aimed at producing artificial brains, that is digital transformation driven by autonomous and intelligent algorithms in real time, in accordance with the era of Industry 4.0. For this reason, one of HI's main interests is to enter joint ventures with IBM business partners to go to market. The solutions offered by HI can support the growth of startups, spin-offs or consolidated companies, to offer solutions to their end users, as part of the digital transformation of companies. Therefore, part of this alliance is P2P Global to extend HI's services globally. Since its creation in 2021, HI is a decision-making artificial intelligence knowledge factory. HI produces four main products: Artificial Business Management, Artificial Brains, Enterprise-Wide Optimization Systems, EWOS, and High-Complexity Multi-Problem Mathematical Models. On the other hand, HI incorporates its technological platform, Optex, Optimization Expert System, based on AI to facilitate the generation of highly complex multi-problem optimization models. Now, HI is a GPT artificial intelligence IBM TD SYNNEX business partner using Watson's. This is the beginning of a new era for HI. Invited by IBM and TD SYNNEX, for 3 months HI has participated in the Watson's Gold 100 Partner Business Program. The result is the organization of HI's new business line, which includes the certification of HI's professional staff, to support all phases of the business, commercial support, technical support and maintenance. This process has made Hypothalamus AI one of the select tech companies that can confidently claim to be an AI knowledge-intensive company. HI's knowledge covers all advanced analytics, predictive and prescriptive. In an industry, the predictive part may concentrate on the study of demand and other random factors, and the prescriptive part may concentrate on the study of production planning and scheduling. From the point of view of organizational management, it can be said that the demand model and the production and sales model are the hypothalamus of the organization. How these two models are handled is the cornerstone of successful planning. A very good demand forecast, followed by regular production planning, or a regular demand forecast followed by very good production planning, will put the organization at risk. The modeling effort must be done in both directions. Analytics has given rise to two levels of artificial intelligence. Traditional artificial intelligence, supported mainly by neural networks, with a long life of almost 80 years, since its creation in 1943, by Warren McCulloch and Walter Pitts. It is the most well-known and economically successful AI, and its current state-of-the-art is the Generative Pre-trained Transformer, GPT, which is a computer program with impressive capabilities to generate text completely autonomously. Decision-making artificial intelligence is a new term, coined by HI to refer to optimization algorithms aimed at decision-making. It could be said that its birth coincides with the launch of the ENIAC computer, in 1947, which gives voice to digital iterative algorithms such as the simplex method, created by Danzig. It is very little known, and there are very few companies specialized in this area of knowledge. HI is one of them. HI has accumulated 50 years of intellectual property in this field. To bring its methodologies to the solution of companies' problems, HI uses watsonx as the artificial intelligence platform produced by IBM, and decision optimization, produced by IBM, and optext produced by HI, as an integrated decision-making platform. The traditional HI methodology to make predictive artificial intelligence algorithms. It is geared towards the use of optext to create the algorithms for the two types of artificial intelligence. This approach must give the same results as one based on pre-built algorithms used by the predictive AI modeler. But it is possible to take advantage of the fact that by directly implementing the algorithms, they can be fully adjusted to the real case, without the need to work with algorithms designed by other modelers, which could imply approximations for a specific case. What is the best solution based on many factors that must be considered when specifying a commercial proposal? In addition, IBM, TD SyNX and Peer-to-Peer Global provide the alliance with access to super servers to conduct research, install demos and conduct proofs of concept for the clients. The GAMS Alliance provides its customers with MOS, mathematical modeling as a service. For hypothalamus artificial intelligence, it will be an important achievement to increase the productivity of your company, using the best technologies of the moment, backed by a trained professional team. Thank you very much for your attention.